Welcome to the channel. This week we're on Royal Caribbean's brand new Star of the Seas. We've got a infinite balcony Central Park stateroom, deck 12, room 581. Nice convenient thing is right there by the elevators. You see the exit sign right there. As you enter the stateroom, you have, I'll show you here on the map, like I said, we're on 12581. Right here is the elevators, and where that red dot is exactly where we're at. So we're in the front part of the ship, the forward part of the ship. As you enter the room, you'll see we are, like I mentioned earlier, we're in Central Park room. So you'll see Central Park out there once we get to the balcony area. But as you enter the room, on the left-hand side, you have your light switches. This is going to be your bathroom light, and then also this is your main light switch here. The nice feature too about the ship is they have the digital thermostats, so you can adjust your temperature here. You can also adjust the lighting. If you hit the button right here, it's going to turn your lights off. Then you hit the middle one here. It's going to bring them up to a dimmed setting. And if you hit the full light, it brings all the way to full brightness. Another cool thing too is you have the morning, movie, evening, and sleep. So if you want to, let's say you want to do movie, I hit the movie button. It's going to close your blind on each side of the bed. It's going to turn the lighting on next to dim it, and also dim around the TV. So it doesn't close the blind the whole way. Once we get back out the balcony, I'll show you how that works. Go ahead and turn this back to full. We'll go to morning. You can see the blind go up. Okay. And you can also do this from here. And also a nice feature is too, from the Royal Caribbean app, you can control your thermostat and all your lighting from your phone. So really cool feature they've added to the ship. Okay, also on the left hand side here you have the bathroom. It's going to be a little different than the Oasis class ships or the older Royal Caribbean ships. You have your toilet here on the left hand side. You have some shelving right here. The shower doors, instead of having the round shower that has the door comes open like this. Nice feature too, it's a nice size shower for a balcony stateroom. Get your towels, different location for the towels in most staterooms, but they have the towels inside the shower. And you also have a seating area inside the shower. Then on the right hand side you have your vanity and a full mirror here. Some shelving right here on the right side. Another nice feature is they do have two American style plug-ins in the bathroom, whereas the previous ships just have one European plug-in. There's some shelves right here, trash can, and then a lot of people won't see this, but there is also a drawer right here for storage. Okay, as you go further into the stateroom, you have some lighting here that surrounds the entryway. You have a full-size mirror here, and then on the right side you have some hooks to hang items. Now behind the mirror here, a lot of people don't realize this here, but behind the mirror is where your safe is, and then you also have 5 additional shelves behind this mirror, and then also you have your Wi-Fi, your Starlink Wi-Fi is in each room versus the older ships. It's not in the rooms, so sometimes it's hard to get a Wi-Fi signal in the rooms, not while you're not in the hallways, because that's where most of the Wi-Fi waypoints are. But each room has one in here, so nice good Wi-Fi signal in the rooms. Coming on into the stateroom, just behind the mirror you have your full hanging closet right here, and this little thing is the setback for the safe. And then a couple hooks in here to hang some items. And then another feature that this class of ship has is you have these baskets here for storage. You have 4 of those. And right above that is your additional closet space. Another hanger closet. And then a place to store some items down below. Every day we should be getting some swag. Got a hat today. Star of the Seas hat. Here's a list of some of the shows. A lot of shows on here. Got the ice show, you got the new game show they're going to have, The Price is Right. Got 2 signature headliners. And also the Aqua Show, comedians, music hall. And then each day they have a different party. You see the big welcome. And then a Caribbean party, old school hip hop and reggae. dance party, millennial party, toga party, and the silent party. Another nice thing too is they give us this this entertainment guide. It shows all the shows on board and some of the additional features of the ship. Escape rooms, 2 escape rooms, dances, plunge, the adult only pool. So all the different activities. So it's a really cool book. Also, we got our first compass. On the bed, you can have the bed pushed together or separated. This is the pushed together format. And then, like I said, if you need it separated, you can ask your stateroom attendant or actually pre-select that online before you board. They can have those separated. But on each side of the bed, you have two lamps. And then you also have, this one's got a floating table here. Nice thing too, they have USB chargers on each side. And then also an American plug-in here. And this is your master light switch. If you push that, it's going to turn your lights off. Then you have a switch right here for each light here. All right, let's move in further into the stateroom. You have your TV here on the wall. These do not swing out; they're attached, so it doesn't swing around. I know some of the ships have the way the TVs come out, but I do have a stateroom tour of a junior suite on board the ship, and those TVs do swing off the wall. So moving on in, you have some shelving in here. You have 4 additional shelves, and if you look down here on the bottom, you have 2 additional charging ports, which is a nice feature. You can put your phones here and charge them. And as I mentioned, on the other side of the bed, you have the additional nightstand here with the phone, and same thing, a lamp here and a charger. So this table right here does move, so you can move it around the room. You can move it outside to the balcony, or if you it is movable, so you can move it wherever you need it in the room, or if you're sitting on a couch. And to the left of that table is the desk area. You have 5 drawers here. You have your desk drawer right here, and then you have 4 additional drawers right here. You have this one here, these 3 here, and then you have a refrigerator right here. So, also in the desk area, you have a backlit mirror here, and then you can also turn that off and on right here, this button. And then you have your European plug-in, some additional USB, so room's got plenty of USB charging ports, so for all your electronics. And then you have your standard plug-in here. And you do have a lamp here. It's got a push button right there. So swinging on around here, we have a full-size couch here. Nice size couch here to sit on, and also this does convert to a additional passenger stateroom. This has a bed that folds out here. Your stateroom attendant can pull that out for you. One of the cool features about this one, it not being a standard balcony, you'll see a standard balcony out there, but this is what they call the infinite balcony. And one of the things that's nice about this, you can close the curtains right here and give additional privacy out there. And then also, nice feature too is you can stand back here. It also elongates the stateroom, so it makes it feel a lot bigger than a standard balcony or a standard stateroom. It gets an additional living area out there, plus it's air conditioned out there naturally. But one of the items is when that window is down, your air conditioning will stop. So you got to remember that the room will get warm and humid if you have it open, especially out at sea. Got a couple chairs sitting here and also a table. As I mentioned, we are in Central Park, right at the end. Here's the stairwell right here and the elevator. And then right through here you can see a Zoomy down there and some entrance to the Royal Promenades down there. You see the swim and tonic up there. That's your swim up bar. Hot tub up there. All right, the cool feature of these rooms is you have this button right here. Also, you can do it from the app or from the thermostat like I showed. But if I want to close the blinds, I just push that button right there. Your blinds are going to close. And it goes halfway. If you want it to go the whole way, you hit it again, and it's going to completely close to give you privacy in the room. So you can close that off. Like I said, and you walk out here, it really elongates the stateroom, gives you a lot more living space. Another nice feature too is if you want the blinds just a little bit of light in, you can hit the button again and it'll stop wherever you hit the button. So you can adjust this blind as needed. And then also this is air conditioning here, so you have air coming in right here and also air conditioning coming in the room right there. So I'll show you the last feature of this, the infinite balcony. Once these blinds go up, you'll see we can actually lower this window right here to make it a true balcony. You can also, if you let go of the button, it stops, so you don't have to have it fully open. So you want to get some fresh air in the room, or you want to hear a little bit of outside here. At night they have music out in Central Park if you want to hear that, but if I hold the button, you'll see it becomes a true balcony. So here's the Central Park area. You can see what the rooms look like across from us. There's one room right there, but Central Park area, there's the trellis bar right down there. Nice feature about this ship too, you can actually get to the Royal Promenade, deck 6 and 5, the Pearl Cafe from the Central Park, which is on Central Park is on deck 8. So, all right, I'll give you one final view of the room here. Also, I'd like to invite you to subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so. Also, if you like what you saw, do me a favor, hit that like button. I'll leave some additional links to some stateroom tours I'll have on Star of the Seas. This is the inaugural selling of a stateroom tour of an Ocean View balcony and a stateroom tour of a junior suite. So, like I said, if you haven't subscribed, do me a favor, hit that subscribe button, comment down below, and we will see you on the next one.